Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to change default apps on DOOGEE T40 Pro. Let's go. Okay guys, so all you need to do is you go to settings, which is right here. Then you go here to apps. Then you go to default apps. And then you select an app you want to change. For example, if you want to change browser, you click on browser app, and I have other browser that I have is Opera, so I will gonna click choose it. All you need to do is just click, and it automatically saves. Okay. Then for example, let's change SMS app to messages like this, and that's how it works. Every other app is the same. That's how you are gonna change it the same way that I changed this too. Okay guys, thank you for watching, have a good day and goodbye.